Emtek Select features various stems, textured handles, and rosettes that designers can use to create their own unique personalized hardware combinations. The Galapagos project is Emtek's exploration into 3D printing with door hardware, and we're using algorithms to generate unique patterns and then 3D printing those patterns onto door handles, and each and every item will be different. The Select Hardware program features essentially a toolkit of various stems, textured handles, and rosettes where designers can mix and match finishes and create their own truly unique personalized pieces of door hardware. Emtek is a leader in decorative door hardware. We allow our customers to mix and match and create their own unique personalized combinations.